Okay, people, this is my first video for die version battery charger, and like you are seeing on my Facebook group, this is battery charger with TP4056 battery charger module. You can charge four cell on this. For power you need 5 volts power supply and 4 amperes current for this board. Okay, here we have module, and when you buy it you will receive something like this. Okay, you need for this module one battery holder, and also you need this pin header for connect module with board. You need 16 pins. Okay. First, what you need to do is soldering this pin. I will put a longer side on board. Like you can see. Need one pin more. Oh, here is. Okay. And now need the board on position. Okay, I need to replace this because I have a broken connector. And now I will use rubber that hold me board on position. Okay, how you can see now all is on position. Okay, and now we'll be soldering this. Pin by pin. And when we'll finish this, then we'll rotate on other side. Okay, this is soldering. Now we'll rotate on other side and soldering this. For good soldering, need good soldering station, and you not need buy some expense like Weller or something like that. You can use some cheaper version that you can buy on AliExpress or on eBay. You have a lot good soldering station who is produced in China. I use also one that is Gordak 99368, and that is very good station. Okay, now we are assembling, soldering this. Rubber is go down, and now need connect or soldering battery holder. Look for polarity. Here is rated plus and minus. And now only put in position in hole. Sometimes in transport pin will be moved. Okay, now this need soldering. Okay, only need cut this pin. And battery charger is finished. Okay. Here on this board we have text that you can see that downside is plus and upside is minus polarity. But okay, this is finished board charger, and we need to put some battery cell. Okay, let's clear this pin. And here we have a mobile phone's charger for testing. Let's connect. And okay, I need to say it before connect first. Check that you are not make shit like me now. I am rotate battery holder, and now write me that plus is down, but on real plus is up. I need to replace that. But okay, for testing You need look that you are not replace polarity on battery, because this board not have protection, and if you are not look how you are put polarity, you can burn this model. Okay, and now this model charging. When you have blue light, then the battery is charged, or you not have battery on charging, and where it's red, then battery is on a charging process. Okay, and that is that. You can download free Gerber files for this battery charger on my group. You have link down on this video. And of course, if you have some question, be free ask and write me on this channel. Thank you.